Welcome to Hot Wheels Unlimited! You know what we're all about here. Awesome cars, crazy challenges, and building the coolest tracks around. Right? Right! So first up, you're gonna wanna head over to Hot Wheels City, where there's a trunkload of challenges to test your skills. Win a challenge, get a wheel. Win enough of them, and bam! You've got a shiny new ride. All right! There's so many to collect, I just can't keep count. So buckle up and start your engines. This is gonna be one awesome ride. Onwards to Hot Wheels City. We should have named this place the Danger Zone. It has a nice ring to it. Or did I just hear that somewhere? Choose a car and smash that race button. Last one to hit the finish line is, well, not me. I couldn't keep up. Almost there. Keep going. Challenge cleared.